Well, really this documentary is about the beginning of a whole new time on Earth. The whole next phase of human development and civilization is to bring out this information to the public. So that's what Sirius is all about. It's named after a star, but it's really about Earth. And that's why we're doing on Earth Day. Thank you. Thank you. God bless all of you. Thank you. I'm honored and touched and excited to be here with all of you. And I'd like to thank Thomas Jane for doing the voiceover on this film. And I would love to thank Arm Kalika and the whole production team at Never Ending Light. This has been quite a journey through enormous adversity, but we've gotten here. And we got here because of all of you. And I want to thank you from the depths of my heart, because a year ago I said we're going to do a film funded by the people, and it's going to be supported for the people. And then all of you are going to be the distributors. And we're going to leave the big macroeconomic corporate folks behind. And we're going to do this. I want to put a special thanks to Chris Crestatelli, who has helped us put this whole thing together. Chris has been our angel on this. It was a couple years ago at Sundance that Chris had me come out, and that's when I met some of the folks in this business. And then about a year and a half ago, he held an event here in Los Angeles where I met Thomas Jane. Thank you, Thomas. And then he has been the person who has managed this entire event. If it wasn't for Chris, we wouldn't be sitting in these seats. Thank you, Chris. Again, you're an amazing person. And I really want to thank also my own staff and volunteers. We have 30-some volunteers here who are helping make this happen. Sarah Barrett, Zan Gilly, all these folks, they've really put this together. But I have to say the person I want to thank the most, who has put up with me, and that's really saying something, for 34 years. 4 kids, 6 grandkids. We just had a new one in Boston 2 weeks ago. And my wife, Emily, the light of my life, a true angel. And we are so indebted to you. God bless you, Emily. We would not be here without you. Now, really what this is about for me, and I'll be brief, because I know you didn't really come here to see me. You want to see this film, right? So, 22 years ago, I started on a journey that took me through the corridors of power and to the folks at the CIA and around the world, ministers of defense. I've had conversations with over 500 top secret military and corporate witnesses to this secrecy. And what has really kept me going is something that's within my heart that dawned when I first had contact when I was quite young. And I will tell you that these civilizations are here waiting for us to become a peaceful civilization so they can embrace us with open arms. Oh yeah. And that the Earth will become part of an interstellar family. It is time. And so for that reason, and in that vision, it has kept me going now for all these years. A few years ago, not far from here, in Joshua Tree National Park, with a group of people, I went into a cave, and it was an ancient shaman's cave, and I was doing a meditation with people. And it was really about the transformation of life on Earth, as well as contact with these civilizations. And a vision came, and a thought. And it said, this is the vision that must guide the world. A world where we are no longer fighting over resources. A world where we are living in peace, because the peace is built on a foundation of justice. And that justice can only happen when everyone on this planet is free and everyone can live in abundance. And you know what? We have the means to do that now. If all of us come together, you know, the proceeds from this film are going to go into a new energy lab so that we can create the science and technologies for the people that have been taken from us for 100 years. And so here we are on Earth Day. And so as an emergency doctor, I know an emergency when I see one. All right? And the Earth is in an emergency. Humanity is in an emergency. But I see another time, and it's very near, where we will come together as a people and transform life on Earth, where we will live with free energy and anti-gravity systems and float from here to Paris silently with no jet fuel being consumed. And I see a time when all the people on Earth are going to have the ability to be as one people in one universe. And this is really the vision that has to guide how we go forward, because the science and technologies that you will be introduced to in this film can only be used for the good of humanity and peace. And so let us all work together and vow to do that. That is what's kept me moving in this direction. I left my medical career to do it. I invite all of you to join us. And I want to give a shout out to all the folks who are here. We have people here from Hong Kong, Taiwan, Australia, Moscow, Poland, Ireland, all the cities around the world who are listening and who are in this room. Just tell everyone you know that if we come together as a people, we can create the world of our dreams. And that's what this is really all about. God bless you and enjoy the film. See you later.